Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to move an object from one photo to another in Photoshop. Let's begin. Selection tool, click the selection, right click on your mouse, click selection tool, size, then click and drag it for the selection. Then click the move tool, click and drag it. Or click and drag it for the selections. Another way to selection with white background, simply click the gradient tool, right click on your mouse, click paint bucket tool, normal to remove the lock tool, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object again, rasterize layer, then normal to clear. Click for this remove. Click and drag it. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold shift, click and drag it. Hold Ctrl, refine for smoothly. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.